So here's a controversial release of recent times. It's the Light Fusion Red Jordan 1 High OGs, and I say controversial because they weren't really widely received by consumers, but for me personally, I'm a pretty big fan. Just to get some housekeeping out of the way, these came with a black Air Jordan 1 box. Colorway is showing Light Fusion Red, White, Laser Orange, and Black, and had a retail price of $170 on their June 12, 2021 release date. I caught my specific pair during a restock on the Nike Sneakers app on July 29th, 2021. They served up a bunch of bricks, as the kids say, likely returns since people saw there was no resale value in these. And a lot of these clips I recorded in the summer of 2021, and I'm now finally getting around to making this video in March of 2022. Looking at the resale market right now, most, if not all sizes are available under retail, so grab them while you can. They've also just recently released this Brotherhood colorway, which looks very similar, and I'm actually waiting on them to come in the mail, so expect a video on that at some point in the future. But getting back to this specific pair, it features a white leather upper with overlays of Light Fusion Red, which is the red pinkish color around the toe, up the eyelets, and around the ankle and heel. Laser Orange contrasts that, and you could find that at the ankle and the Nike swoosh, and then white at the mid panels and the toe. The overall leather quality on here is on par with most Air Jordan 1 highs of late. There's a smooth leather, which has a decent grain, and then the certain tumbled sections aren't overly tumbled, but have a nice feel and finish to them. There are some slight hits of black as well. You could find them at the Wings logo, the inner lining of the sneaker, and then of course the black rubber outsole. The coolest detail to me is this gradient at the Nike Air on the tongue tag. And being such a colorful sneaker, Jordan Brand blessed us with 4 sets of laces in every color that's on the sneaker. For me, I personally opted for the white because it looks the cleanest, especially on top of the white nylon tongue. Some additional things I missed include the Light Fusion Red insole with the Laser Orange Nike Air logoing, as well as the white midsole, which I actually did mention. As far as sizing goes, if this will be your first pair of Air Jordan 1 High OGs, I definitely recommend going true to size. On the comfort side of things, don't expect too much. They're a lifestyle sneaker after all, and are on the flat side. Given the bright colors, I find these are kind of hard to pull off from a wearability standpoint. You know, people have been joking calling these the Ronald McDonald's because of the eerie resemblance to the McDonald's color blocking that you'll find within their logos. But for me personally, I don't understand the hate these get. I think they're a pretty decent colorway, and they're a lot worse sneakers in my opinion. As for me wearing them, I pulled them out pretty much all summer, and I think they are a good summer shoe, along with the Volt Golds that I also have in the stacks. Again, at the time of me recording this in late February, early March of 2022, we're pretty much past peak winter, and I expect these to come back out in the spring and summertime. I mentioned it earlier, but you could find these at or even below retail price depending on the size. If you're concerned about resale value, this isn't the sneaker. Air Jordan 1 highs used to appreciate in value over time, but I don't think that's the case here. I think the state of Air Jordan 1 high OGs now in 2022 is that there's definitely a certain fatigue, and really only certain colorways are holding their value these days. But at the end of the day though, if you're in the game for collecting like myself, then resale value shouldn't be for you, and just buy and wear what you like. And I think now is a good time to tap into these again because you could find them for pretty cheap on the resale market. That's all I have to say for this one though. Let me know what you guys think of this pair of the Light Fusion Red Air Jordan 1 High OGs in the comment section below. I'd also appreciate it if you could drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm pushing out content more and more these days, so it would be great for you to stay tuned. And if you can't wait for the videos, definitely follow me on Instagram at StuffDylanLikes because I'm sharing pictures like this way before the videos. That's all for now though. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.